channel Maths Rocks for you. In this channel today we study about complex numbers, Sankar Sankhya. What is the Cartesian form? Z is equal to x plus I1. In polar form, ध्रुवीय स्वरूप Z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. What is theta? Angle. In exponential form, this type of form also known as polar form. Z is equal to r e raised to I theta. You must remember e raised to I theta is equal to cos theta plus I sin theta. Okay. Now this type of we draw figure. Suppose this point P x y. This x plus iy denote this type of form. This is real axis. This is imaginary axis. Okay. Now I take one example. Z is equal to minus 3 plus 2i. Okay. What is real part of Z? Real part of Z is equal to minus 3 and imaginary part of Z is equal to 2. Real part of Z known as x is equal to minus 3 and imaginary part of Z y is equal to. Okay. Now, what is the form of modulus Z? Modulus Z known as R. R is equal to root x square plus y square. What is x? X is equal to minus 3 square, y is equal to 2 square. 3 square 9 plus 4 root 30. Okay. Now, what is modulus Z? This is O. O means pole. You also known as origin, but in polar coordinate O known as pole. Now ODP distance of OP known as modulus Z. You apply distance formula 0 0 distance formula x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 0 whole square. That's why you get modulus Z is equal to root x square plus y square. Okay. Now in Cartesian form, x is real part, y is imaginary part. X is real એટલે વાસ્તવિક ભાગ અને y કાલ્પનિક ભાગ. Okay. I means iPhone. I means iPhone. How to separate iPhone? How to separate iPhone जो लोग यूज करते हैं वो इमेजिनरी पार्ट हो गया और आईफोन जो यूज नहीं करते वो रियल पार्ट हो गया. ओके. आई के साथ y इमेजिनरी पार्ट और x रियल पार्ट. Okay. How do we find modulus Z? Modulus Z known also small r. R means radius. Okay. Now, and complex conjugate. What is complex conjugate? Conjugate means अनुबंध संकर संख्या. Complex conjugate only we change sign change only imaginary part. Denoted by z bar is equal to x minus iy. X minus I. I take another example. Z minus 4i. 3 minus 4i. Now what we find out complex conjugate. I write modulus z bar. Only the sign change imaginary part. iPhone only we change imaginary part. Minus you put plus. This is complex conjugate number. Okay. Now you must remember z into z bar. What is z? Z is equal to x plus iy. Z bar x minus iy. Then everybody know the one formula x minus y, x plus y. That's why you write x square minus y square. X square minus I square y square. I square is equal to minus 1 is x square plus y square. That means z into z bar is equal to. Now everybody familiar with this unit circle. 0 origin, 0 angle pi by 2 at a 90, pi at a 180, 3 pi by 2 at a 270, 2 pi at a 360. Okay, now this is first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. First quadrant, x positive, y positive. Second quadrant, x negative, y positive. Third quadrant, x negative, y negative. Fourth quadrant, x positive, y negative. Everybody remember this? Okay, this is x axis. X axis, right hand side positive, left hand side negative. Y axis, right hand side positive, left hand side negative. Up, down. Okay, now 1, 2, 3 positive number, -1, -2, -3 negative number, 1, 2, 3 positive number, -1, that means minus minus, third quadrant, x is equal to plus, x axis, y axis, x is equal to plus, y is equal to minus, that means fourth quadrant. Look at here. You must remember, in first quadrant, theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Theta means angle. X is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. When we divide, x is equal to r cos theta, y is equal to r sin theta. When we divide y by x, what is y? Y is equal to r multiplied r sin theta, x is equal to y is equal to r sin theta, x is equal to r cos theta, and r cancel, sin by cos, tan theta. Tan theta is equal to y by x, and theta going to this side. That means theta is equal to tan inverse y by x. Z is equal to -1 plus root 3i. Now we find angle. How do we find angle? Angle is a कोण. How do we find angle? First, this z can be written as also this type of form. X is equal to -1, y is equal to root 3. Look at here. X -1, y positive. Which quadrant? X negative, y positive. नेगेटिव ने पॉजिटिव और क्वाड्रेंट पे चरण पे नेगेटिव ने पॉजिटिव सेकंड क्वाड्रेंट x नेगेटिव y पॉजिटिव. Now what is theta? Theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse y by x. Okay, pi minus, okay, second quadrant, pi plus third quadrant. Okay, remember pi minus second, pi plus third quadrant. Here first quadrant theta tan inverse y by x, and fourth quadrant only change sign, positive negative. Okay, you must remember. Look at here, x negative, y positive. What is theta? Theta formula substitute here. Theta is equal to pi minus tan inverse modulus y by x. Pi minus tan inverse y. What is y? Root 3. X minus 1. But in modulus I take positive, tan inverse root 3. હવે tan ની value root 3 ક્યારે આવે? Okay, you must remember. Okay, everybody know about this table. 0, 30 degree. 30 means pi by 6, pi by 4, pi by 3, and pi by 2. Sin 3 and pi by 2. Sin cos 10 0 0 1 2 3 4 and 4 were divided and then square root, then you get 1 by 2 1 by root 2 root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay, now reverse order, cos my reverse order, 1 root 3 by 2 1 by root 2 1 by 2 0 and 10 theta. Everybody know about the sin theta divided by cos theta. 0 by 1 0 1 by 2 1 by root 3 1 root 3 1 by 0 એટલે infinity 1 by 0 infinity. Okay, હવે જો 10 ની વેલ્યુ 1 by root 3 ક્યારે આવે, which 10 ની વેલ્યુ root 3 ક્યારે આવે, 10 have root 3 value at angle pi by 3. That's why you write pi minus 10 inverse 10 pi by 3. 10 inverse 10. That's why you write pi minus pi by 3. Then you take LCM, so you get 2 pi by 3. Theta is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is angle. Okay. Now, when you say, well, now, what is modulus z? Modulus z is equal to root x square plus y square. X square plus y square. What you get? Minus 1 square 1, root 3 square 3. 3 plus 1 4. 4 no square root 2. Modulus z. Modulus z also denoted by small r. Okay. Now, this Cartesian form convert into polar form. How to convert into polar form? Everybody know about the z is equal to r cos theta plus I sin theta. What is r? 2 cos theta 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3. Then this is polar form. This also polar form. Also you write exponential form, e raised to I theta 2 pi by 3. Okay, you must remember this, pi minus pi plus positive negative. First quadrant positive, fourth quadrant negative. Pi minus pi plus. Okay, pi minus એટલે पीछे हट, पाई प्लस मीन आगे बढ़. Suppose I change here, little bit change here, change, only little bit change. I write here minus root. Okay, then you write minus root 3. That x is equal to minus 1, y is equal to minus 1. Minus minus which quadrant? X negative, y negative. Which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant for theta pi plus tan inverse. That's why I write here pi plus tan inverse. Pi plus x negative, y negative. Okay, plus plus plus. Then you take LCM. You get 4 pi by 3. Okay, modulus z सेम ही आएगा 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3. Okay, when you take here, look at here, when I write here positive 1, sorry, positive, positive, when I write here positive 1 minus root 3 I, what we do, which type of theta we get, which type of theta when I take here positive, sorry, 1 minus root 3 I, 1 minus root 3, 1 x positive y negative, x positive y negative, x positive means theta, तो थीटा की वैल्यू कौन सी आएगी, माइनस पाई बाय 3. ओके, ऐसे चेंजेस आते हैं, ऐसे ढेर सारे एग्जांपल हम इवैल्यूएट करेंगे. इसके लिए आप लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब. ओके, 1 0 मीन्स ये वैल्यू है ना, ये 1 वैल्यू कौन किसकी है, कॉस की, और 0 वैल्यू किसकी है, साइन की. अब समझ लीजिए cos 0 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos 4 pi 1, cos 6 pi 1, that means cos 2n pi 1. Okay, now अब sin 0 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 4 pi 0, sin 6 pi 0, even number also, even means 2 4 6 8, 0 2 4 6 8, like sin 2n pi 0. But look at here, this value of sin also 0 means 0 sin 0 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0, sin 4 pi 0, sin 5 pi 0. That means cos sin n pi ni value 0. Sin n pi is equal to 0. And cos 2n pi, 2n pi 1. Okay. Now look at here. This value cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi minus 1. You can also write cos n pi is equal to minus 1 raised to n. Put n is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. You get this type of form. Okay. Like a same, this value of sine, this first value cos, second value sine. Cos pi by 2 0, cos 5 pi by 2 0, cos 7 pi by 2 0. Then you write 1 5 9 4, difference 4 is a cos 4n minus 1 pi by 2 or 4n plus 1 pi by 2. Okay. Now cos 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 also known as minus pi by 2. Now I write here one example, z is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now when we are given x is equal to minus 1, then you easily consider this is real part. But when z is equal to minus 1, that means x is equal to minus 1 and y is equal to 0. X is equal to minus 1, y is equal to 0. So what is angle? थीटा एंगल कयो बने? હવે જો x is equal to -1 ને y is equal to 0. હવે ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરી નાખો x is equal to -1 કઈ જગ્યાએ આવે? x is equal to -1, y is equal to 0. This portion. That's why theta is equal to pi. You can also write 3 pi. You can also write 5 pi. Okay. That's why theta is equal to pi, 3 pi, 5 pi. Okay. When we are given range 0 to 2 pi, then you write pi. Okay. Now next one, you write z is equal to I. I means z is equal to I means 0 plus 1 I. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0 ને 1 કઈ જગ્યાએ આવે? Which portion? X is equal to 0 1. X is equal to 0 1. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 1. Means theta is equal to pi by 2. You can also write 5 pi by 2. You can also write 9 pi by 2. Okay. That's why theta you write which pi by 2? 5 pi by 2, 9 pi by 2. Okay. Suppose you write here 4. So what we write here? 4. 4 angle same જ બનશે. Okay. Negative value છે x is equal to -4. બરાબર એંગલ સેમ જ બનશે. EML લખી દઉં 3i. 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 Angle same જ બનશે. Okay, understood? Okay, now I write here another one example, z is equal to -3i. You can also write 2i. X is equal to 0, y is equal to -3. x is equal to 0, y is equal to minus 3, means x 0, y negative, y negative, this portion 0 minus 1 0 minus 2 0 minus 3. That's why theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. Theta is equal to 3 pi by 2. You can also write minus pi by 2. Okay. When we anti-clockwise, घड़ी की सुई की विरुद्ध दिशा में, okay, you write here this type of form. And when we go anti-clockwise, then you write theta is equal to minus pi by 2. Both are same. You can also write 3 pi by 2. You can also write minus pi by 2. Understood what is angle? Whew, 30 minutes.